Hi dear connections, here Aditya Hegde. Hope you are all good. So here is an update of my day 12 progress of my embedded system journey. I am going through under internship of embedded system under the guidance and mentorship of Balemerthy Vamsi Krishna sir. First of all, I apologize for the inconsistency and absence in LinkedIn post for some days because as you know, I am enrolled in one 30 days project challenge, which is Cohort 2.0 Code to Career Challenge, which is a challenge in which we learn how to build a project from scratch under the guidance of Balemerthy Vamsi Krishna sir, Ajay and Bhargava. So I was trying to understand the concept of use case and sequential diagram, because as a fresher it is a new thing for me to uh, understand the use case diagram and sequential diagrams, because before starting the project the use case and sequential diagram plays a huge role for the code for for making efficient code and system working. So here we go with the progress update. So here I going to give update of my day 12 progress of embedded system internship. As you know, I have 3 tasks. First task was about C pro language learning and coding C language. So in that I have completed the switch case chapter yesterday. So I have I have solved good amount of questions on switch cases to understand the concept of switch cases, and it was good because slowly I am grasping the C language very nicely, and I am able to understand the flow of code. And in today's session I will be with function chapters. And the second thing was about embedded system programming C and C++ by Michael Barr. I am following the book in which I have completed the 3 chapters and started with 4th chapter, which is uh, uh, debug, debugger and debugging. So in this chapter I learned about remote debuggers, GDB debuggers, device programming, RAM and ROM. I have to complete this chapter. I will tell you about this detail, but I will have given us just a content what I have done in this chapter till now. So, and the third thing is that I am going under project. Before that I was in CLI and I was it is a recording session. I was doing a CLI infrastructure in embedded system project. So I have completed that 3 sessions, and now I have started with JSON parser project, in which it is a collection of string, and I am gone through just from introduction sessions, how to initialize the string, how can we tokenize the string, how can we use token, how can we how parse, what is the parse primitive, what is the Jasmine parser, what is a string length. I understand the concept, and I am trying to understand more in detail, which I will tell you about in my next video. So here it was the three things which I have done completed yesterday. So, and about, if I tell you about my cohort 2 challenge, it's going good. It's a new thing for me because as a fresher I was not familiar to use case diagram and sequential diagrams, and because it's I'm giving good amount of time for my learning in use case and sequential diagram. As you know, sir has instructed us to go to 5th chapter of the book C Companion. So I have gone through the chapter, and I have started again reading, because I think I have to read once again and revise the concept, because I should have good understanding what is the chapter is telling about. So I have started with 5th chapter, and I have also gone through the requirements of the project, our project which I mentioned, I'm talking about the project which is called smart thermostat. It is a smart thermostat which is used to adjust or change the temperature according to the user or weather. So it is the first thing. uh, Another thing was, I was going through the requirements. I have done requirements analysis, good analysis of requirements, and I have made my sequential and use case diagram. But I think I should work on more. So I am giving time to correct the sequential diagrams and use case diagram. As I complete, I will post on my LinkedIn. So be with me for this upcoming 30 days of Code to Career challenge of project building from scratch. So I will give my whole insights of my embedded system programming internship and another Code to Career challenge update from this video. So be with me. So guys, for today, uh, so guys, for today this much only. Thank you for being with me. Be with me in this journey of embedded system to get to know more about the embedded system journey, and follow Balemerthy Vamsi Krishna sir and me on LinkedIn. Thank you.